Huh? Right. You look at big movie star, man. They can look at a movie star, man.
You don't know me long time, right?
Where them man come from? Where you come from? They go look at a movie star. You're Jamaican? You're supposed to name Aki and Starfish and a lot of things, you know.
You can't really tell you where we come from down there, though.
You will say it. And much water every drink down here. And white rum and cane juice.
Jamaican, like Aki and Starfish, a piece of fried pork.
And much water you talk about?
Really love curry goat with rice. You know, like rice and peas, though. I love curry.
I like.
Rice. And, well, I use so much bami, but I love bami too.
You better believe.
I love goat belly soup.
And much water name?
My mother used to make hot food.
Much water name?
We don't get that no more.
And much water name, man. And you're alright. My God, I'll find it. I knew I could there alright.
Jamaica, the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people.
We're warm down here. We have nice dishes down here. We can't cook good down here. We can't cook good down here, that's one thing.
Where you come from, what you look like.
We can't cook down here, so now for yourself. We can't. You better know because we can't cook down here, myself. Myself, we can't cook down here. It's what you talk about a man's water. A man's water you talk about. We can't cook and we can't do everything down here.
From a long time ago, Yellow Man.
Yellow Man, alright, you know it. Him sing on Blueberry's Hill.
Blueberry artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. One thing up
on Blueberry's Hill, man.
Different style. Blueberry Hill.
Yes, but I've been singing all the time. Me, I tell you, him bad. Him bad.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, I don't know, because enough people watch this video and they probably wonder why me I put this on the internet.
No, put it on it.
My daughter gone to Jamaica too.
Put it on it.
She always about me because she on the internet all the time.
Put it on it because Yellow Man are Blueberry. Now what you say? We are Jamaican.
People believe say white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto.
Yes.
Of many,
one
people.
Yes.
So you got all different kind of people.
Yes. Yes.
I'm just an example.
Now what you say? You look good still with the pan internet, you know. Me like how you look good. One oven, I always have an oven, one, two water. Hello, ma'am. Are you actually you look so nice to your tall ears flowing down? What are you, ma'am? You look so good. I love how you look, ma'am. Just. Huh?
What?
We like Yellow Man. We like Yellow Man. Yellow Man always sing on Blueberry's Hill. And we love that. Him and his wife.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Right? Yeah. We love you too. Come back again, man. Sing Yellow Man and Blueberry's Hill. And
you don't live in Jamaica no more, you know.
Me that find myself too. And me I talk about Blueberry's Hill. I'm coming back on here I'm coming back in what you call it? Wait, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, I'm coming back to Jamaica to deal with Yellow Man with Valentine's love. I'm coming back to Jamaica. I'm abroad now. I'm coming back down to Jamaica to deal with Valentine's love. Me like I said, you know, in talk about the curry goat and the ray. And you talk, it's a man's water you talk about a man's water. So now what you say? Forward.